Good day, all. Today is the 4th of December. Right now, we're going through a few stocks. Me and my team found out a few good stocks to trade for today, and one of them I will present to you. The stock name is GBCI. So let's go to charts and let's dive into the fundamental of the stock. Okay, the stock is GBCI, GBCI, and this is Glacier Bancorp Montana. The stock is Glacier Bancorp. So Glacier Bancorp is based in Montana, USA. It's a bank holding company for Glacier Bank with about 29 billion in assets and operations across 9 western US states. Also, when we're finding the stock, we're getting through triggers. What are triggers? Triggers are most important part why we should buy the stock, why it's so interesting for us, and what will be the outcome for this stock. So we got first trigger right now here. The trigger is right now 15% discount. So the stock dropped 50% from its highs right now, and all happened to bad earnings, like low earnings, not bad earnings, but low earnings expectations. Expectations were high, but earnings came lower, and it dropped. Second trigger is inside trading. What inside trading is that uh, the managers, the CEOs, and the other persons, like for personal reasons, they're buying the stock like crazy. So right here in November, we got lots of institutional inside trading, and third trigger that I'm trying right now is institutional trigger. So lots of institutional like Vanguard, BlackRock, and others are buying this stock here on this part. So we got three triggers right now, and let's dive into financials of this company. So its market cap has got 5.5 billion, average volume is 1 million, debt to asset ratio is 0.88, ATR is 1.47. So in 1 month period, the stock is moving averagely $1.47 per day. So it's got pretty good moving average. Beta. Beta is a correlation with the S&P. It's got 0.77. It's not it's not great, but it's not too bad. So it's a good correlation with S&P. So it got dynamic revenue, dynamic EPS, and like not too much, but it got analysts are predicting $52 price estimation. So roughly, they're expecting that stock will grow to $52 in 1 year. So let's dive in to stock charts. What charts are telling us, and let's go from there. So let's go to weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is showing us right now that the stock topped on $67 roughly. Yeah, $67 roughly. And after that, it gone down from 2021, and the lowest it hit was 27, $27. Yeah, $27. Sorry. Um, right now, we hit also the higher highs, like here, like we, uh, yeah. We made high highs right now here, and then we had a drop. But what we are interested in right now, the current situation that's going on, let's see a draw here from these lows, the trend line. We got ascending trend line right now, so it's going high. To say the truth, I'm not a trend line guy, but it helps sometimes. So what do we have here also? We have here the volumes. These are horizontal volumes. Horizontal volumes for 1 year showing us the accumulation in this phase. So roughly in 1 year, stock dropped from 50 to 50 to $37. That's a good drop to say the least, but the sellers of the buy came in, couldn't renew lower lows. That means that interest in this stock is high and buyers are stepping in, so they want to renew and go higher high. Okay, that's a weekly. Let's go daily chart. On daily chart, it even seems here that we got double top here. Great double top. Bottom top, sorry. Double, bo- great bottom top. Oh, double bottom top. Yeah, this is double bottom top. And what we see here, after it's making the bottom double tops, it's always going higher. So what we got here, the markets are already opening right now, and we can buy the stock right now here, and we can take the stop below this level. The stop will be 1.6%. Not a bad stop and not a great one. So let's see. What we have here. Their expectation for this stock expectation is going roughly 12%, hitting 13%. Hitting the next resistance is as it goes to through uh, dynamic pocket, like price of control we got from sellers here. So we can like gain 13% from this only, but we also can go much higher. And we can like if this is accumulation we're talking about, you can go higher than 20% and make new higher highs, 20-25%. Let's see where we go after that. But right now, this is the good stock, solid stock, and we can invest it with a stop, please. We never trade without stop because it can go lower. It always can go lower. But if it goes lower, then this is a bottom, top, bottom, double tops won't work. And then we can go to this trading range. The stock can be in accumulation phase here, going up and down, and then can make breakout. So let's be cautious, let's be traders, and always trade with a stop. On the hourly chart, we can see here on the hourly chart here, let's correct that. That's roughly 2% stop. Yeah, roughly 2%. Well, hourly chart is telling us that the lows are here, and to be safe on safe side, we can adjust that on the hourly chart. A stop is roughly 2%, but the gains are, as we are risking 2% gains for this stock, first gain at least, going here 12 to 30% is 6 to 1. So it's a good trade, to say the truth. Good trade. Let's see how this plays out, and good luck in trading.